The Canadian gem is quite easy to tie. We put the running hand around the object, like this. In this case I use this carabiner, and I put the standing part inside a overhand knot, like this. So what I have to do? I have to take the standing part, put it over the standing part, around the two parts, the running hand and the standing part, like this, and then I put the running hand inside this little hole that has created. Then with the running hand I create another overhand knot, like this. Very good. Then I pull, and as you can see, the knot blocks itself also with this part. It's quite easy to tie and to untie. I just pull this part and the knot comes loose.